Okay. One of the common problems faced by a lot of farmers is the land which they have is usually quite barren, or sometimes they start growing some plants, and after a few seasons, it does not grow and stops. One of the main reason being that the microbial activity, the biological things in the soil are dead. So, however much fertilizers you put, since there is no good microbes to support nature's growth, these things die. So one simple technique is to mix cow dung with the soil in that particular land, and also river sand or beach sand in 1:2:3 proportion. This is a proportion which basically my Guruji Pasuraghavan suggested. Of course, there might be other things floating around, but this is something very easy to remember: 1:2:3. 1 part cow dung, 2 parts the soil from your own land, and 3 parts river sand or very very fine sand. The simple scientific fact behind this is the cow dung actually has all the microbial elements. The soil, wherever you are, the farm or whatever it is, that is what needs to be energized. And of course, when you stick these two together, it will become little thick. So sometimes, like, it might harden into a very very fine base. Sometimes there are a lot of gaps between them. So which is why if you put river sand, or in case if there's no river sand available, then you can probably use the ocean or beach sand, which is a very very fine thing. So it fills between the layers. So if you mix these and actually hold it in your hand, you can actually feel the energy change in your hand. Even for the first time when I did it, I was quite surprised. It was a little yucky. How can you feel it? I was using gloves and all that, but going forward, once I touched it and actually mixed it and felt that little life force in my hand, that's when things change, and I started actually telling other people what exactly is about. So right now we'll just pause here and do a small demonstration of how that is going to be done. Okay.